Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's going to be a Dollar Tree haul. If you're new here, hi, I am Shaniqua. My little one's right here in front of me because she does not like to take naps. She does not like for me to be great. So I have her right here in front of me. So you're probably going to hear her in a lot of my videos just because she just does not like to take longer than like 30-minute naps. Like, are you a mom who has like a cat napper baby? Like if your baby cat naps throughout the day, comment down below and let me know, because this little one right here just loves to take cat naps, but she does sleep through the night. So, I mean, it's a bonus. So I guess it's give and take. So today I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. Like I said, I'm really big into organization. And this year I vowed for 2018 to be a year of organizing my life. From inside my home, mentally, and everything that I can organize will be organized before this year is over. So today, or yesterday and the day before yesterday, I made 2 trips on 2 separate days to get things to organize my kitchen and both of the bathrooms, and I will be having videos out on that here soon on my channel. And I also am going to show you just a teeny tiny mini Target haul, and this as well just because it kind of relates to what's going on, and I just want to go ahead and throw that in there. So I got these hooks right here for $1 at the Dollar Tree, of course, and I got these for mostly my kids' bathroom just because they don't really have a place to put their washcloths and my daughter's shower cap, and currently she has her shower cap on the broken bathroom bar that we have in there, and it's just not a place where I want it to be. And then they can't reach the high rack for their washcloths, so I figured to not have it just anywhere. We can have it concealed in the shower and they can just grab it and put it back, and it's not a big deal. So I got several different sizes of these bins right here. I'm going with kind of a white theme in all of the stuff. I just think whites look cleaner. I mean, black is good too, but I just went for white. So I got actually more of these. I have 6 of these small little containers just for like bobby pins and hair ties and batteries and little things that goes, you know, that can fit into this and stay out of the way. And then I got bigger size to just use for the bigger things. Like this can go for combs and brushes and bigger bows and stuff like that. Next, I picked up these little things right here. These little basket that comes in 3, so 3 for $1. I actually have 2 like this already in the bathroom. I'm not sure if they were from the Dollar Tree, but we do have 2 that looks almost similar to this. But this is also can be used for combs and brushes if I don't decide to use the other bins that I just showed you guys. And then also toothbrushes, things like that. So these will probably be going in our bathroom just because we don't have drawers and we don't have a lot of storage. So I don't know, it'll be distributed throughout the bathrooms in this house. So the next thing I got were these little bins right here. I'm not entirely sure their purpose just yet. I was going to use them for our pantry, but just because the baskets that I previously got for our pantry, they're no longer available, not that I can find at Walmart anymore. I'm pretty bummed out because I only got 2 and I wish I stocked up on a lot of those. So I was going to use these for the pantry, but they're so tiny I have no idea what I could put in these. So I'm just going to use it for our master bathroom, and the reason why I do quotations because it's super small. So yeah, I'm going to be using these for the master bathroom. So next I got are these essentials, and these are the collapsible storage bins. They had a variation of heights. They had the tall ones like this, then they had the mediums, and then they had the little baskets that I'll show you guys here in a little bit. And these are the other baskets that I was talking about. These 2 little small mini baskets that will be going in, I believe maybe our bathroom. I also got 5 of these bins to go under the cabinet, under the sink, just because right now I have, again, a lot of hair products that is under the kids' bathroom. Some of those things need to be thrown away, so I'll definitely be doing like a mini purge in that bathroom because we have way too much stuff. But I did this, and I know for sure one of these baskets will be going for my like blow dryers and flat irons and everything like that, because right now they kind of just stuck in this broken basket that's in the little shelf linen thing. You'll see what I'm talking about. So guys, real life. This is real life. Like, you know, because I do these videos, mommy does not, like, you know, being a mom, motherhood does not stop. So again, as I was saying, you guys are going to hear her or see her in a lot of my videos just because this is the only way that I'll be able to get stuff done. And then this is just another way of my videos being real with, yes, another way of my videos just being real and showing you guys, like, kind of just what I have to go through and what I have to deal with and stuff. And I say I love every bit of it. Say yes. I currently have a Swiffer jet, and I also have like this red mop that I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. And I saw these things right here that are a little bit more, I'm not sure the actual price that it costs for the brand of these, but I was kind of really intrigued with this because I just wanted to try it out. I'm like, it's $1. I mean, you really can't lose. So I got this one to go for my red mop. They're the dry pads, so for refill. But currently we have cloth ones that you can just take off and throw in the washer. But when I only have one right now, I had 3, but I can't find the other 2. So these will come in handy because when I just need to do a spill and they're in the wash, I can just put this on, throw it away, and we're good. And I bought 2 of these Scrub Buddies, the wet ones for the Swiffer Jet. So yeah, these are the wet refill cloths. They come in 10 in a pack. I got 2. I got some little, what are these called? The little sponges. They're also by Scrub Buddies. I just grabbed these because I was there and I saw them and I'm going to be using them for the bathroom. So I needed them. I didn't have any like scrubbing stuff for the tiles and for the floors of the bathroom. So I just grabbed these. For $1, you can't go wrong. The next thing I got were 2 of these Scrub Buddies cleaning, like the Mr. Clean erasers. I'm not sure if I used these before. And then I got this thing right here. I've never used this before, but I know the bathroom is a little cloggy. The water's kind of stopping up, and we do most of the hair in the bigger bathroom, and I'm more than sure that the reason why the water is backed up is because everybody's hair is in that drain. Right. Alright, so that is pretty much it for my Dollar Tree haul. I think I spent a total of like $23, $24, which isn't bad for everything that I got. You're not going to get that much stuff for that price anywhere else. So Dollar Tree definitely comes in handy. So next I'm going to show you guys what I got from Target. Yes, it's just the little stuff. Most of them are cleaning supplies, but I did get a storage container for my So next I'm going to show you guys my mini little haul that I got from Target. Most of it is cleaning supplies with the exception of one thing, which will be holding my cleaning supplies. So yeah. So the first product that I got is this Method Anti-Bac All-Purpose Cleaner. This is the Wildflower scent, and then it says that it cuts grease and grime. I've never used this one before, the Method brand, but it's actually quite inexpensive, which is what I love about this. When I saw it and I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna try it. Another cleaner I got is the Method Anti-Bac Toilet, and it's just pretty much like the other one, except it is for the toilet cleaner. What I use right now is Lysol, and although the Lysol really works, I just kind of wanted to try a different alternative. Then the last cleaning product I got is the Miss Meyer's cleaning. I have actually used these products before. I've used the basil one, the basil cleaner of this, and then I used the basil tile and tub and tile cleaner. I was really skeptical at first, guys. I was super skeptical. I'm just like, this isn't gonna clean. I don't really trust this. I'm just gonna try it out, see kind of what the hype is about. Yes. And I used it in the bathroom and fell in love. Even my husband fell in love. We're both kind of like germaphobes, not like over the top, but we definitely like to make sure that what we clean with is going to clean and it's going to show that it's clean. And then the basil scent was really refreshing. It was really nice, not overwhelming, not too overpowering or anything like that, but I decided to try a different scent, so I got this one in the lavender scent. Guys, so that is my Dollar Tree and mini Target haul. So if you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed seeing Miss Maya, definitely don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Comment down below and let me know what type of cleaning videos you guys want to see. What type of products that you guys like to do. Do you guys make your own products? I know there's oils that I've been really getting into that I kind of want to use as well to just kind of like, you know, make my products for certain things. Maybe like a lot of her baby toys and stuff. So I can always have that on handy. So let me know what you guys like to clean with. And when is your favorite time to clean? Is it in the morning? Is it when everyone is asleep because you just get your little zen time? Because cleaning for me is like a stress reliever and it's super relaxing, and I tend to have like a really clear mind when my house is clean. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.